Good. What's up, Brez? Today we are going to be doing a little bit of snow driving in Taffy, the 04 TJ. Just got done shoveling out my neighbor's place, going to another place to snow blow and shovel, and figured it's kind of a cool setting. Not really a purpose to the video, just testing, and roads are pretty icy, or not icy, but snowy, so we might end up doing something cool anyways. I think my door's open. Yeah, it is. Thought it was a bit drafty. We just got, everyone was saying, you know, the storm of the century. I didn't think it was just a snowstorm. But we did get a healthy dose of snow last night. Good foot or so, probably. And it's like 14 degrees right now, which is warmer than it's been lately. Into a drive for the main road. Oh, that snow flying off the soft top. Road's a little greasy through here, but ain't bad. Sled's running through there. Should get a snowmobile. This road I'm not expecting to be good. No one's behind me. They're gonna grab some 4-wheel drive. Take her easy, bro. Plows have been through, but only so much you can do on dirt. It is a winter wonderland. Feels like Narnia up in here, boys. Alright, and welcome to Sketchy Driveway 5000. Luckily, alright, it was plowed out and they did a pretty good job of plowing it. So we're going to stay in high range. Oh, crap. Not going to stay in high range. It don't want to stay in high range. Alright, low range it is. And a very slow, anticlimactic climb down. This is probably really lame on video. Low ranges for nerds. Well, anyways, 20 minutes later, we're going to get to the bottom of this driveway. Let's grab some second gear. Kind of would have been really cool coming down there if it hadn't been plowed out yet. That's kind of the point of videoing here. Because I'm like, oh, that's going to be cool. Not driving on a paved road. Good grief. Vivid the beach. That creek's frozen up pretty good. Can't tell it's a creek because it's covered in snow, but it is a creek. Alright, Braze, we'll see you in a bit. See if we can make it up this. 4-wheel drive, buddy. Ain't nothing can stop a Jeep Wrangler. Man, oh man. Alright, out of low range into high. First gear. And we're good. Home free. What do we got going on here, brothers? What in the world? Whole big group of brothers. You guys good?
I guess. Trying to tow his car, but I got stuck.
Uh-oh. Alright, we got car little coin line. See if we can do this. Here, stay there and get loose on the rope. Okay. Good? Come on, TJ. Come on, TJ. Come on, baby. Fly, be fly. I need a yanking rope. I need a yanking rope. All right, boys. So anyways, I did a horrible job filming that. But, so coming down the hill, group of young dudes there, car, said it blew a coolant line, blew the, I got traffic, I should move. I don't know if he blew a head gasket or what happened, but shot the cap off the overflow tank and spilled a bunch of milky stuff out of there, which is never good. Totally sucks. And he had a couple other guys there with front wheel drive sedans trying to pull him up, but it wasn't doing it. So I tried to pull him up to his grandpa's house, and I didn't have enough traction to get him up that hill. And I got him down the road a little ways to a better spot. Hopefully you can have someone with a truck come get him. So, wish could have helped him more, but it is what it is. I don't want to risk hurting my Jeep. So that video ended up being different than I expected, and it didn't actually. I didn't actually get a recovery, but it did a partial recovery. So, if one thing I helped him with is his battery went dead. So I used the jump box and got his window rolled up. So if anything, I helped him there. And now it is starting to snow. It wasn't snowing earlier. Driving in Pennsylvania after a giant snowstorm is always an adventure. No one there. I don't know. Random Nissan on the side of the road. Sending off. See y'all on the next adventure. Bye.